Hey, and welcome to my channel, Southern Boys Ride, and you riding with Rob D. How y'all doing today? Hey, we're gonna take you on an adventure, back roads of Alabama. See what's going on back here. Bro, we hadn't been on in a long time, so it's gonna be an adventure for us too as we ride. Hope y'all doing good out there. Finally getting some good weather here in South Alabama for a change. It's been raining just about every other weekend, making it kind of difficult to go on your bike and ride. Also trying out my new microphone, seeing how the audio is going to work. I've been trying out different ones and it's been kind of piss poor audio. So maybe this one will work pretty good. If so, I'll put a link down in the bottom there so you can check it out and see what we got going on here. Oh, also, comment, like, and hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to build this channel up. Making vlog videos is a little bit harder than I thought it was going to be. I actually thought it was going to be pretty easy because I was looking at a lot of videos of the other guys and gals that make riding videos, and there's some skill behind it. Trust me, there's some skill behind it because you got to get in there and get your edits right, make good content. Unless you're going to make raw content, and I'm probably one of those guys that going to be making raw content because my editing skills are not nowhere where they need to be. But hey, it is what it is. Right now we're on the back roads and I'm headed to Georgia on the back roads here in South Alabama. Like I said, it's going to be an adventure because I haven't been on this road in a long time, so I actually don't know where I'm going, but we'll get there. We will get there. So enjoy the ride. Oh man, that looks like a good place to do a little creek fishing because the next thing I like more than riding my bike is some good old creek fishing. And ain't nothing like a nice Saturday afternoon. I get in my old truck, throw the poles in there, and I go find me a creek where nobody's been or I don't want to go and fight with the snakes. And man, you're talking about some good fishing. Have a nice day, long day fishing. Love it. You guys can see some of these trees are all beat up. We had a bad tornado come through here a few years back, and it came right through this area. And that's the reason why you see a lot of these trees down still. It was a mess. I'm talking about a total mess. Man, that was a tornado that also went through Panama City Beach and tore a bunch of stuff up. And terrible. tree that got uprooted. Another one there that they cut. Mother Nature can ruin your life with some bad weather. That is no doubt about that. But the best thing about it is you can replace materials, items, but you can't replace a life. Don't you just love small towns? Some of them look nice and inviting. I ain't gonna say they all look nice and inviting. Whenever you get lost and you're riding, you're just riding and you don't know where you're going, you say, hey, I'm lost. It's best to be lost with a tank of gas and not be on empty. I've been riding before, me and the wife, and just passing the day away, not looking at the speedometer or the gas mileage or, and I look down and wow, we got 1 bar left, and I'm like, ooh, where in the world is another gas station? And she's always looking over my shoulder trying to see what's going on. So we always try to fill up before we get on an adventure somewhere. I do love the countryside. Love it, love it, love it. At least I don't have to worry about what I run into about 20 minutes ago on the highway out there. Pack of cars and the van just pulled over on us like we were over there. Crazy. But I guess he probably would have did the same thing if we were in our car, because he just wasn't paying attention. That's right, when I'm riding my bike, I try my best not to get in a pack of cars, and I try to stay close to the front of them as I can when I'm riding in the pack so they can see me. Oh, that's nice. I love the color of that car. Nice. Hadn't asked me already, do you know where we are? Of course I'm going to tell her, yeah, I know where we are. We lost. But as I always tell her, as long as we got gas, I'm never lost. Small creek coming up. I always like to look over and see what's going on. Might be a great fishing spot. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Nice fishing spot there. I'm gonna have to mark that and come back to it one day. guys, we've made it to Georgia, almost made it to our destination. It's a gas station. We're going to stop. We're going to check everything out, and hope you're enjoying yourself on this ride. Hey, we got a lot of good things planned for this channel. Just got to get it up and running a lot better.